given an overview of proposal of a carport at 12302 Northeast Fort Plain Boulevard. We have completed our research. We got some valuable information from the county that should help along with the process going forward. Uh, One of the things that we're able to gather is actually your survey control marker. And just by note at this point, we were able to generate a site plan. So the survey, that's going to save quite a bit of money. I believe we should be able to avoid uh, having a surveyor come out and give us those distances. So that should, pretty certain that should complete it. So we generated, measured out, and created a site plan. This should be pretty darn accurate. Far as the placement of your proposed carport is 5 feet away from your main dwelling, 15 feet wide, and by 30 feet long. We've done a walkthrough with the manager on site, and this was the ideas that we came up. There is some discussion with creating an overhang on the roof, possibly 2 to 3 feet, so that can be covered. As far as your look, this would be the 3D design. This is only for reference only. So you'll have your base like that. You'll be a post to beam build. This will be exposed, so this is just a 3D reference, so a shingle type of roof. Here are the proposed building parameters or the design going forward if you decide to do the actual blueprint and go through that process. And so that you're going to have a footing that will need to be dug out, and that's going to be needed to be done to meet codes. We'll be using a 6x6 Simpson brackets or similar adequate, something to that. This will be a PT build on the lumber that's exposed to the weather, and then it will be your dimensional standard lumber under covered areas. So we're thinking about using a 3/4 plywood shingle roof. There may be that your roof might need to sit in the beams 4x12 just because of a significant span. And we'll find out as the blueprints are drafted up, and then talking to the engineer to get that stamped. Once that is completed, we can go into the permanent stages.